Today, I want to introduce you to a brand new VPN called VLX UBP Tunnel. This VPN comes with its own fast, dedicated servers and supports a wide range of protocols, giving you unlimited and secure browsing, no matter where you are. If you have been looking for a reliable way to stay connected without restrictions, this video will show you exactly how to get started. Before we begin, if you find this video helpful, please take a moment to like it, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update. Let's get started. Open any browser on your device, whether it's Chrome or another browser of your choice. In the search bar, type Custom UDP Website and press Enter to search. From the search results, look for the official Custom UDP website and tap on it. This will take you directly to its homepage. Once you land on the homepage, tap the menu icon located on the screen. A list of options will appear. From this list, select Free VPN to continue. On the VPN page, you will notice several different VPN options available. Look for VLX UDP Tunnel and tap on it to begin the download. Next, tap the Install button to start downloading the VPN onto your device. This process may take a few minutes depending on your connection, so please be patient while it completes. Once VLX UDP Tunnel finishes installing, you will see an Open button appear. Tap it to launch the application for the first time. When the VPN opens, you will be redirected to its home screen. At this point, it may ask for permission to send notifications. You can choose to allow or cancel this, depending on your preference. Once you're on the home screen, make sure your device has an active internet connection. This allows the VPN to properly load its list of servers. After the servers finish updating, the app may restart automatically, so just wait a few seconds for it to complete. Now let's take a closer look at how the VPN works. It is built around two main sections, one for selecting your server and another for choosing your protocol. To select a server, tap on the Server section. A list of available server locations will appear. Choose whichever server suits your needs, and remember, you can always change it later if needed. After choosing your server, it's time to select a protocol. Tap the Tweaks section to view the built-in protocol options. Scroll through the list and pick the one that works best for your connection. If you would rather use your own custom configuration instead of the built-in tweaks, tap the radio button next to the Custom Settings label. This will open a new window where you can choose from protocols such as slow DNS, V2Ray, SSL settings, and more. Keep in mind that some of these protocols require a custom server, while others can run smoothly using the built-in servers provided. Whichever method you choose, whether it's the built-in tweaks or your own custom settings, once everything is configured, simply return to the home screen and tap the large Start button. Within just a few seconds, your VPN connection should be up and running. If you'd like to share this VPN connection with other devices or even your computer, open the side menu, tap on Tethering, and enable that option to extend your connection. And that's everything you need to know to get VLX UDP Tunnel set up and running smoothly. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.